Look at your hand. It feels solid. It is not. What you are looking at is almost entirely empty space held together by forces you cannot see. And here is the part nobody tells you. You have never actually touched anything in your life. Not once. By the end of this, you will understand why. Because we are going down past the atoms themselves to a place so small that reality itself starts to break apart. Physicists call it the floor of the universe. So let's shrink and keep shrinking until there is nowhere left to go. First stop, a single cell in your skin, already invisible to your eye. Thousands of them would fit inside a single full stop. Inside it, coiled tighter than anything humans have ever built, is your DNA. 2 meters of it, folded into a space 1,000 times thinner than a hair. But this is still the giant world, because beneath the machinery of life lies the world of atoms. This is an atom, the building block of everything you have ever seen. A single drop of water holds more of them than there are stars in the observable universe. And here is where it gets strange. The atom is not a solid little ball. It is a ghost. If an atom were the size of a football stadium, its nucleus, the only real substance in it, would be a single fly sitting on the center spot. Everything else is emptiness. And that emptiness is you, your body, your home, the ground you are standing on. All of it is 99.9999% nothing. Which brings us back to your hand. When you press it against a table, the atoms never meet. They repel each other at a distance, like magnets pushed together. That feeling of solid, it is an illusion your brain invented. You have been hovering above everything you have ever held. But we are not done. We keep shrinking into the fly itself, into the nucleus. Inside it are protons and neutrons, 100,000 times smaller than the atom that carries them. And inside those we find quarks, the smallest pieces of matter ever discovered. Nothing is inside them. Nothing built them. Or so we thought. Because quarks are not the bottom. The ladder keeps going down into a place no microscope, no accelerator, no instrument we could ever build can follow. Keep shrinking, 1 trillion times smaller, then 1 trillion times smaller again, and you finally hit a wall. A place where the word smaller stops meaning anything at all. It is called the Planck length. It is so small the numbers give up. Take a single atom and inflate it to the size of the entire observable universe. On that scale, the Planck length would be about the height of a tree. And at that scale, physicists believe space itself may stop being smooth. It may come in pieces, pixels, as if reality has a resolution limit, like a screen you were never meant to look at this closely. Below the Planck length, physics simply ends. Distance means nothing. Time means nothing. Space churns into something called quantum foam, where the universe boils in and out of existence. Nobody knows what is truly down there. Nobody ever will. To see it, we would need a particle accelerator the size of a galaxy. The floor of the universe is real, and it is locked. So here is the thought to keep. You are a giant built from emptiness, standing between 2 infinities. Look up, and the universe never seems to end. Look down, and it ends at a door nobody can ever open. If that bent your brain, subscribe. Next time, we ask the forbidden question. What happened before the Big Bang, when there was no before?